Yeah, so hello everyone, this is Aditya and currently I'm working as software developer. So I hope you guys are also doing well. So basically guys, if you are looking for IT jobs and as well as like non-IT jobs, then this video is very useful for you guys. So the first opportunity is coming from our Accenture company guys. In this company now they are hiring like a non-IT jobs, and the second opportunity is coming from a Deloitte company. In the Deloitte they are hiring like for a full stack developer roles guys. So these both opportunities are for the freshers. Like if you want to start your career from like a big MNC's company, then this video is very useful for you guys. So make sure watch this video till the end guys. So now I start our video for the today. Like the first opportunity, when I talk about the here I prepare everything is like what is the skills required, what is the eligibility criteria, which year of students are eligible to fill this forms and all. So make sure watch this video completely guys. Just you see here the first opportunity, the Deloitte full stack developer hiring alert. Like if you are like BE, BTech, ME, MTech and as well like MCA students, then you guys are eligible to fill this form. When I talk about the job role is like just you see like full stack development. It means आप back end front end database everything एक ही बंदा यहाँ पे सारा काम करेगा. Job location is like Bangalore, and the like developer is role guys, and experience is like 0 to 2 years of the like if you are a freshers or if you have less than 2 year of experience, like 1 year or 1.5 like that, then you guys are also eligible to fill this form. And the degree is like BE, BTech, ME, MTech and also as well like MCA. These guys are eligible, not BCA, not BSc, not any like only like if you have done any like a normal graduation, then you guys are not eligible to fill this form. And like 24 and 23 guys are eligible or not. Yes guys, you are eligible, but the condition is like you have to like at least 0 to 1 year of experience. It means आपके पास 6 months का भी अगर आपने like internship वगैरह भी करा हो तो आप यहाँ पे ऐड कर सकते हो. When it comes to the down, main technology like Python, JavaScript, TypeScript, SQL and React.js, obviously guys React.js and Node.js and fast APIs and all. Database like SQL, RDBMS and NoSQL. Cloud is like AWS, Azure, GCP and all. DSA is important here guys. Like आपके पास DSA का knowledge होना चाहिए obviously guys. MNCs कंपनी है तो DSA वगैरह तो क्वेश्चन आपसे करेंगे ही. And salaries like just you see here 6 to 9 LPA. So now I move forward, like where is the our like job portals and all. So just you wait guys, here just you see here like this is the Deloitte guys. This is like job portal guys. Just you see here Deloitte job total is like just you see here full stack development Bangalore location is there guys. And when it comes to the down, just you see here key skills required is like 0 to 2 year of experience in software implementation, application support or web application development and all, and basic understanding of data structure, algorithm and programming solving skills and all. And just you see here like working knowledge of Python, JavaScript and TypeScript and SQL guys. These are like technology, आपको ये सारे टेक्नोलॉजी आने चाहिए. And when it comes to the down, just you see here like familiar with the REST APIs, data integration and working with the RDMS and NoSQL database and all. And when it comes to the down, just you see here so that's it guys. In the job description they are mentioning this one only. So if you match like all the like what is the like degree and all, so like if you matched all the criteria guys, so just you go and fill this form guys. So now I move forward for the second opportunity. Second opportunity is coming from our Accenture company guys. In the Accenture company, like if you have done like normal graduation, then you guys are also eligible to fill this form. And when and here I just want to add one more point. Like if you come here for the first time on these channels, then here please help me guys. Here I make only job hunting and career guidance related videos, and like if you have any doubt, just drop me a comment guys, definitely I will help you. So now I move forward for the second opportunity. Just you see here like second opportunity is coming from like this is a non-technical job guys. So I explain, just wait guys, I explain everything here. So just you see here like this is not like a software development IT jobs. It is primarily customer support, non-voice messaging and operational job inside Accenture. Okay, this is like not like a software jobs. Like if you don't have like so much coding knowledge skills and all, so So you guys are also eligible to for this form, guys. When it comes to the down, just you see your location is like Hyderabad location only. Job type is like full time. Experience like 0 to 1 years, and degree is like any graduation. Like if you have done any graduation like BCA, BBA, BBM, BMS, whatever, any graduation, you guys are also eligible to fill this form. Pass out year, they are no a specific pass out year mentioned in the job description. Like उन्होंने mention ही नहीं करा है कि आप कौन से बच्चे अप्लाई करोगे और नहीं. And role is like customer contact comms new associate, like obviously non technical job है guys. Main area is like customer support and non-voice support. And is this a coding job? No guys, this is a completely a non-coding job. So अगर आपके पास कोडिंग का भी नॉलेज ना हो तो भी आप इसे अप्लाई करो, और एक एमएनसीज कंपनी में आपको जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ मिलेगा गाइज. सो नाउ आई मूव फॉरवर्ड, वेयर इज़ द लाइक जॉब लिंक्स एंड ऑल. सो जस्ट you wait guys. This is like customers contact comms new associate messaging and all. This is obviously non-technical job guys. So just use your experiences like 0 to 2 years and apply this form. And I already explained each and everything guys. Just use your year of experience is like 0 to 1 years, and and qualification is like any graduation. Like obviously guys, I already explained each and everything guys. So just you come and apply this form guys. And qualification is like any graduation. Location is like Hyderabad only guys. And if you have any doubt and also, just you come here and read all the things, what is the like job description and all. I already explained everything guys. If you have any doubt, just drop me a comment guys, definitely I will help you. So for the today guys, I am done guys. So मिलेंगे एक नए जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ के साथ guys. So तब तक के लिए थैंक यू guys.